dear friends, today we are going to make delicious two-way Paneer Frankies. To few cubes of paneer, add 1 tablespoon curd, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon jeera powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, some salt to taste and mix them well. Add a teaspoon of curd again and mix them well. Marinate it for 20 minutes. To a frying pan, pour some oil. Now fry our marinated paneer. After frying, transfer half of the fried paneer to a bowl and keep it aside. To a blender, add some chopped ginger, few garlic cloves, 1 chopped onion, few cashew nuts. Add some salt and grind them well. Add the cashew paste to the frying pan and sort them. Mix the fried paneer with it. To a blender, add some coriander leaves, mint leaves, some salt to taste, 1 green chili, 2 tablespoons curd and grind them well. I have taken a piece of roti. You can also substitute it with chapati. Now keep few sliced onion, 1 grated carrot. Now keep our cashew paneer fried. Roll it. Now our delicious cashew paneer Frankie is ready. Now to the piece of roti, apply our coriander mint paste. Now keep few sliced onion, grated carrot and our plain paneer fried. Roll it. Our two-way paneer Frankies are ready. Hope you enjoyed. If so, please don't forget to smash the thumbs up.